Hello everyone! Today I'm going to restore a car headlight that most people would throw away without a second thought. Just look at this lens. It isn't only cloudy. It looks worn out from years of sand, dust, and harsh UV sunlight. Normally, people replace something like this and spend a lot of money. But this one still has good plastic under the damage, so a careful restoration can bring it back. To help loosen the grime, make a simple cleaning mix. Take baking soda and pour it into a small spray bottle. This solution works as a light cleaner and helps break down surface dirt before sanding. Your idea might inspire a future video, so take a moment to leave it in the comments. Add white vinegar slowly. The reaction starts right away, so do not fill the bottle too fast. Add only enough vinegar to create a liquid mixture that can spray easily. Close the lid tightly and shake the bottle gently until the baking soda dissolves. Put masking tape down the center of the headlight to split it into two clean halves. Press the tape firmly so it sticks well. This makes the difference easier to see later. It also keeps your work organized and gives you a clear boundary to follow. For the next step, build a simple scraping tool. Take a small metal hinge and a razor scraper blade. Line the blade up with the hinge and use screws to clamp it down tight. Keep the blade straight and stable. This tool gives you better control and keeps your fingers away from the sharp edge. Hold the scraper at a shallow angle and start scraping the yellow layer off the headlight. Use steady strokes and move slowly across the surface. Do not dig into the plastic. Let the blade shave the oxidation away, little by little. You will see the yellow residue collecting in front of the blade. That is the damaged layer coming off. Keep scraping until the surface looks more even and the heavy yellow haze disappears. After scraping, clean up the work area. Vacuum the dust and residue so nothing gets dragged back onto the lens. Spray the mixture onto the surface of the car headlight. Wipe it lightly to check the surface. It already looks better, but the lens still has scratches and dull sanding marks that need refining. Grab 1000 grit sandpaper and wet it with water. Keep the headlight wet the entire time. Sand in controlled strokes and cover the full surface evenly. Use light pressure and let the paper do the work. Water carries away the plastic dust and keeps the surface from overheating. After sanding, wipe the lens clean and spray more mixture. The surface will look cloudy at this stage, and that is normal. Switch to 1500 grit sandpaper. Wet the paper again and sand the lens the same way. Move slowly and keep your strokes even. This grit removes the deeper scratches left by the 1000 grit paper. Rinse the lens with water and wipe it clean. The surface starts to feel smoother when you run your fingers across it. Move up to 2000 grit sandpaper for the next stage. Keep the headlight wet and sand carefully with light pressure. This step smooths the lens even further and removes fine sanding marks. Take your time and keep the motion consistent. When finished, rinse the lens again and wipe it dry. The lens still looks slightly hazy, but the surface now feels much more uniform, and that means it is ready for polishing. Squeeze toothpaste directly onto the headlight and spread it across the surface. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives that work well for plastic polishing. Use a clean, dry cloth and rub the toothpaste in firm, controlled circles. Work across the entire lens and focus on areas that still look dull. Keep rubbing until the toothpaste begins to dry slightly and the surface starts to shine. Wipe the lens clean with another dry cloth and remove all residue. At this point, the lens already looks clearer and brighter. For the final clarity step, prepare a finishing solution. Pour a small amount of automotive glass cleaner into a cup. Add a small amount of 90% ethanol and mix it gently. Dip a clean, dry cloth into the solution and wipe it onto the headlight. Use smooth strokes and cover the full surface. As you wipe, the lens starts to brighten immediately. The surface looks clearer with every pass. Keep wiping until the headlight looks glossy and even. Peel off the masking tape and compare both sides. The difference looks dramatic. One side still looks yellow and tired, while the restored side looks clean and almost new. The light can pass through again, and the lens looks bright instead of cloudy. This headlight restoration uses simple supplies you can find at home: baking soda, vinegar, sandpaper, toothpaste, and a little alcohol solution can bring old plastic back to life. If this repair helped you, tap the like button so others can find it too. Subscribe for more practical DIY fixes you can use in your garage. And leave a comment telling what part of your car you want to restore next.